Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56. In this video we'll check how often does Samsung release new phones. According to statistics, Samsung typically releases new flagship phones annually, with the Galaxy S series launching early in the year, usually February or March, and the Galaxy Z series following later around August. Mid-range phones and budget models from the A series may be released more frequently. Samsung's release schedule aims to ensure new devices are available for various price points and customer needs. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.